Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Chatify English.
Hi, friends. It's so good to be here again with you.
How are you today, Mark?
I'm doing great, Jane. I had my morning coffee, did a little bit of work, and now I'm ready to chat with our lovely listeners.
That sounds nice. I just finished my yoga session. I feel calm and happy.
Perfect combination.
Today's topic is something we all can talk about: our jobs and future goals.
Yes, we'll talk about how to describe your job in English, what you do every day, and even what you want to do in the future.
So, if you're learning English and want to talk about your work naturally, stay with us till the end.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
So, Mark, let's start with a simple question. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at a language school.
Oh, that's great. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I really enjoy helping students learn English. It makes me happy when they start speaking with confidence.
That's wonderful. So, what's your daily routine like?
My day starts early. I wake up around 6:30, have breakfast, and then go to school. I usually teach from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Wow, that's a busy morning. What do you do after school?
After work, I go home, have lunch, and take a short nap. Then I prepare lessons or check homework. And in the evening, I like to read or watch YouTube videos. Especially Chatify English, of course.
Nice answer. You get bonus points.
That's great. Working from home has many advantages.
True. I can listen to music while I work, wear comfortable clothes, and eat snacks anytime.
I like that. Snacks and music. Perfect combination for a happy job.
So, Mark, let's help our listeners learn how to talk about their own jobs.
Great idea.
If someone asks you, "What do you do?" you can answer with, "I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in a hospital. I work for a company. I'm self-employed."
Yes, very simple. And if you don't have a job, you can say, I'm looking for a job, or I'm unemployed right now.
Exactly. You can also talk about your daily routine at work. For example, I start work at 9 a.m. I answer emails. I talk to customers. I go to meetings.
Great examples. And don't forget, if you're a student, you can also say, I study English. I go to university. I do homework every day.
Nice. Okay, let's talk about the future, your future goals.
Ah, that's interesting. So, Jane, what's your dream job?
I'd love to have my own design studio one day. I want to create art that helps people feel happy and inspired.
That's beautiful. You're already doing great things.
Thank you, Mark. What about you? What's your goal for the future?
My dream is to travel the world and teach English in different countries. Maybe Japan or Italy.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
Yeah, I love meeting people from different cultures.
That's a great goal. So, listeners, what about you? What's your dream job? Take a moment and think about it. Now, say it out loud in English. I want to be a... Mark, can you give some examples?
Sure, you can say, I want to be a doctor. I want to be a pilot. I want to be a chef. I want to be an English teacher.
Of course, that's the best one. Okay, friends, now let's look at some useful phrases from today's conversation.
We'll explain them in simple English so you can understand and use them right away. What do you do? This means, what is your job? Example, what do you do? I'm a student. I work from home. You do your job at home, not in an office. Example, I work from home every day. I start work at... Use this to say when your work begins. Example, I start work at 9 a.m. I'm self-employed. You work for yourself, not for a company. Example, I'm self-employed. I have my own business. I'm looking for a job. You don't have a job now, but you want one. Example, I'm looking for a job in marketing. My dream job is... Use this to talk about your dream career. Example, my dream job is to be a writer. I go to meetings. You attend meetings for work.
Question 2. What time do you start work? Pause.
Nice.
Question 3. What do you do every day at work? Pause.
Awesome.
And now, question 4. What's your dream job? Pause.
Excellent. Remember to say, I want to be a...
Great work, everyone. You're doing amazing.
Yes. Keep practicing every day and you'll sound more natural and confident.
So, today we talked about jobs, daily routines, and future goals in English.
Yes, and we learned many useful phrases like, I work from home, I'm looking for a job, and my dream job is...
Remember, the best way to learn English is to use it. Talk to friends, write short sentences, and practice speaking out loud.
Exactly. And here's a question for you. What's your dream job? Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to read your answers.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends who are also learning English.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, check out our episode talking about your daily routine next. It's a great follow-up.
Thank you for listening, everyone. You're doing great. Keep learning. Keep smiling.
See you in the next episode of Chatify English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Hello again, friends, and welcome back to Chatify English.
Hi, everyone. It's so nice to see you here again. Ha ha ha.
Last time, we talked about how to describe your job and your daily routine.
Yes, and we learned phrases like, I work from home, and my dream job is...
Exactly. Today, in part 2, we'll talk about your colleagues, your workplace, and how to say what you like or don't like about your job.
So, if you want to sound more natural when you talk about your work life, stay with us.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends who love learning English.
Let's get started.
So, Mark, do you work with a big team?
Not really. I work with 5 other teachers. We're a small team, but we're very close.
That's nice. Do you get along with your colleagues?
Yes, we do. Everyone is friendly and helpful. We often eat lunch together and share ideas about teaching.
That sounds fun. I love when co-workers become friends.
Me too. What about you, Jane?
I work mostly alone because I'm a designer, but sometimes I collaborate with other designers online.
Oh, so you work remotely with your team.
Yes, exactly. We use apps like Zoom and Slack to communicate. It's easy and fast.
That's great. What's your workplace like?
Well, my home office is small but cozy. I have a big desk, my computer, and some plants.
Nice. Plants make everything better.
Yes, they make me feel calm. What about your school?
My school is colorful. There are classrooms, a small library, and a teacher's room.
That sounds like a happy place to work.
It really is. The students are always smiling, and I love that energy.
Okay, let's teach our listeners how to say what they like or don't like about their jobs.
Good idea. So you can say, I like my job. I love working with people. I enjoy teaching.
Or, if you want to say something negative, you can say, I don't like working late. I don't enjoy meetings. I hate traffic in the morning.
Yes, that's a big one.
You can also say, it's okay, or it's not bad when your feeling is neutral. Example, my job is okay. It's not bad, but it's not my dream job.
That's perfect for everyday conversation. And remember, friends, tone matters. When you say, it's okay, your voice should sound calm. Don't say it like, it's okay.
True. That would sound angry.
Jane, have you ever changed jobs?
Yes. Before becoming a designer, I worked in an office as an assistant.
Oh, really? What made you change?
I wanted to do something creative. I started learning design online, and slowly I made it my full-time job.
Wow, that's inspiring.
Thank you. What about you, Mark?
I used to teach children, but now I teach adults. I got promoted last year.
Congratulations. That's amazing.
Thanks. It feels good to grow and try new things.
Yes, it's important to keep learning.
For our listeners, if you want to talk about changes, here are some useful phrases. I changed my job. I started a new job. I got promoted. I moved to another company. I left my old job.
And if you want to sound positive, you can say, I learned a lot in my old job. It was a good experience.
That's a polite way to talk about your past work.
So, Mark, what are your goals for the next 5 years?
I'd like to teach online full-time and maybe start my own English course one day.
That's a wonderful idea.
Thank you. And you, Jane?
I'd love to travel and work as a designer in different countries. Maybe Japan or Italy.
Hey, that's my dream too. We can go together.
That would be fun.
So, listeners, think about your own goal. Maybe you want to change jobs, start your own business, or work in another country.
Whatever it is, write it down. When you say it in English, it feels more real.
Yes, that's true. Try saying, in the future, I want to, my goal is to, I hope to. Example, in the future, I want to work abroad.
Let's go over today's new phrases.
Great idea. I'll read them and you explain them, Jane. I get along with my colleagues. This means you have a good relationship with the people you work with. Example, I get along with everyone in my office. I work remotely. You work from home or from another place, not at the office. Example, I work remotely 2 days a week. I collaborate with others. You work together with other people. Example, I collaborate with designers on big projects. I don't enjoy meetings. You don't like meetings.
Okay, now it's your turn again, friends. Ready?
Let's practice speaking together. Repeat after us. I work in a team.
Good job.
I got promoted.
Nice work.
I love what I do.
Excellent.
Now, let's answer some questions. Question 1. Do you work alone or in a team?
Great answer.
Question 2. What do you like about your job?
Wonderful.
Question 3. What's your goal for the future?
Fantastic. You're doing amazing. Keep going.
So today, we learned how to talk about our workplace, our colleagues, and our goals for the future.
Yes, you can now say what you like or don't like about your job in English.
Okay, now it's your turn again, friends. Ready?
Let's practice speaking together. Repeat after us. I work in a team.
Good job.
I got promoted.
Nice work.
I love what I do.
Excellent.
Now, let's answer some questions. Question 1. Do you work alone or in a team?
Great answer.
Question 2. What do you like about your job?
Wonderful.
Question 3. What's your goal for the future?
Fantastic. You're doing amazing. Keep going.
So today, we learned how to talk about our workplace, our colleagues, and our goals for